Hey, and welcome back. So in today's lesson about texture, we're going to do a combination to combine everything that we learned so that way we can explore how they feel in a more structured environment. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so let's do this combination in order to get all these textures understood and clearly seen between each and every single one of them. All right, let's go. Follow me. To the right, snap out. Again. All right, so let's start with the sharp. Here we go. Sharp. Exact. Less room for groove. It's very exact. Smooth it out. So much groove. I don't even want to snap because I feel like snapping ruins it. Bouncy. Keeps moving. On that trampoline, very smooth, grounded. Nice, sharp at the top, really groovy at the bottom. Sharp, smooth, bouncy, grounded. All right. Now I hope with that demonstration you're able to see how each of them is different, yet, and different brings out a different mood and a different demand on how you manipulate the move, but the move altogether was the same. It's just that I played with certain textures in order to tell the story of grounded, smooth, sharp, bouncy. Yeah? Now there's so many other textures that you can explore, but here are 4 that I would recommend that you practice and keep at it. And once you get them down, search for some more, and there will also be some more in our playlist. So let me see what this looks like on you so we can further talk about it and make sure that you understand them before you move on to the next video. Peace.